Hello, dear friends. This is Grandma Jeannie. Welcome back to my workshop. I am so glad to have you here. Here in my workshop at Dollhouse Rescue, I love to work on dollhouses, bring them back to their original glory. I like to unbox presents and gifts and things that I bought. I like to share craft ideas with you and whatever else I can think of to share with you that might be helpful to you in your dollhouses and in your love of miniatures. Tonight I have a package to open. Now this has got a combination of some things I bought in it as well as some gifts from one of my dear dollhouse friends. And because of that, I've got Grandma out here helping me and a couple of Christmas trees to keep us in the holiday spirit while we open this up. Now, I've mentioned many times some of my favorite dollhouse groups on Facebook, but I have not named them for a while. So the number one favorite for dollhouse things is called Metal Dollhouses, Barns, and Playsets from the 1940s to the 1980s. And they are the nicest group of dollhouse collectors that you will ever meet. And they do a fantastic job of sharing their beautiful dollhouses and showing how they decorate them. Sometimes they decorate them for the holidays, or they decorate them for just fun scenarios, or they'll have a little story with it. They do a lot of fantastic things. I see a lot of great ideas there. In fact, many of the ideas I share here, I have learned there, and I am just passing them on to you. Now, one of the things they do there is the first Saturday of every month, you can sell or you can buy things. So people have things that are listed for sale, and you can go out there and shop and pick up miniatures and dollhouse items and even dollhouses themselves. And one recent Saturday, I bought a few items. And when the lady sent these to me, I know she's included a few gifts in here too. So there's a combination in here of things that I have purchased and things that she has sent me as gifts. And look at how cute she has those wrapped up. I'm going to get all of these out and then I'm going to show you each and every one of them. There you go. Look at this lovely array of little dishes, pots, pans, vases, a turkey, a little drum, little bottles full of Christmas sparkles, statues. Beautiful, beautiful. I got a little table out here to help show those off better. I just love it. Now, it's not unusual in this dollhouse group that when you buy something, they'll throw in a few of these little extra special treasures. So like these little bottles were like extra gifts in the little drum, just extra gifts. Now, they don't all do that, and they certainly don't have to, but it's not uncommon. So you need to join those dollhouse groups if you're at all interested in miniatures and enjoy the lovely group of people. Now, I don't like to name their names because some people don't like to have their names shared on the internet without their permission. But if you go out there on a first Saturday of the month, you will see items for sale, no doubt, from this seller because she continually has these lovely, lovely treasures available. So I want to thank you again for joining me. Remember, Grandma Jeannie loves you, and you always have a friend here in Iowa and a lot of friends in our Facebook groups. Thank you for joining me.